10 new features, 45 plus fixes, and one brand new flagship model. The headline this week: Claude Code now supports Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's new flagship, with a fresh xhigh effort tier that sits between high and max. You can reach it from the model picker or pass/effort xhigh directly, so you finally get a middle gear for long horizon coding work without paying full max latency. The top changes across these 5 releases pulled straight from the community changelog. Opus 4.7 with the xhigh effort tier. /ultrareview, a parallel multi-agent code review command. Custom rules that now override built-in defaults. /TUI fullscreen for flicker-free terminal rendering. New built-in /commands, discoverable by the skill tool, and a 1-hour prompt cache TTL across every provider. Opus 4.7 ships with 5 changes worth knowing. First, xhigh effort, a new middle gear for reasoning speed versus depth. Second, vision gets a big boost. Images up to around 3.75 megapixels, about 3 times the previous limit. Third, better file system memory for multi-session work. Fourth, auto mode is extended to Mac users for longer autonomous tasks. And fifth, a new /ultrareview command for parallel bug review. Pro and Mac users get 3 free reviews. So, how does 4.7 compare to 4.6? Across the board benchmark gains, finance agent, GDPVol, coding, vision, and long context reasoning. Early testers report around 10 to 15% higher task success and noticeably fewer tool errors. Pricing stays the same. $5 per million input, $25 per million output. Token usage is up modestly, around 1 to 1.35 times from an updated tokenizer. New and improved /commands. /ultrareview runs parallel agents across your diff to catch bugs the compiler can't. /less permission prompts scans your transcripts and proposes an allow list, so you stop approving the same tools over and over. /recap gives you session context when you resume, and the skill tool can now discover and invoke built-in /commands directly. Real automated command execution. /tu fullscreen switches the conversation to flicker-free full-screen rendering. No more flashing when tools scroll. A new auto-seam option syncs with your terminal's dark or light mode. Item 2. Plus tmux display tearing is fixed. The /context grid renders cleanly, and /clear no longer drops your session name. A new enable prompt. Caching 1H environment variable extends the prompt cache TTL to 1 hour across API key, Bedrock, Vertex, and Foundry. The extended thinking indicator now shows a rotating progress hint. And small but nice. Add file suggestions, stopped rescanning entire projects, LSP diagnostics appear correctly after edits, and MCP tool calls no longer hang when a connection drops. Run Claude update to get Opus 4.7 and everything we just covered. Which change are you most excited about? The new model or /ultrareview? Drop it in the comments. And if these release breakdowns help you, hit subscribe. I cover every Claude Code release.